How's it going, guys? This is Orange Tutorials here again. I'm very sorry I haven't uploaded lately. It's only because I was sick and I still am very sick. So for today we're going to be finishing the Flappy Bear tutorial part 2, as we have done part 1 and now we're going to finish it up. So load up your project. Mine is named Flappy Bear tutorial. So as we see, let's restart this game and see where we left off with. Okay, so here we go. You can see we have the start game button and our bird can move. The only we haven't done the scores or the um we haven't done the score or like the interaction between the bird and the columns. So we're gonna do the collisions right now. Okay. So first of all, we go back to your main storyboard. We need to add an exit button. So we're gonna insert a button right here. Okay. So I'm going to name it. Just name it exit or restart game. I'm just gonna say restart game. Make it nice and wide. Put it down here. I'm changing the color to black. We're gonna add a label, which is going to be at the very top, and for now it's just going to be 0. And I'm just going to increase the size of it like that, nice and wide as well. And so you can center align it if you want. I could just keep it here, but I'd rather not. For now, I'm just gonna keep it right here. Okay. Right. So let's get to the view controller.h, and we're gonna say IB outlet, UI label, and I'm gonna name this score label, and another IB outlet, which is a button. It's gonna be button restart game. I'm just gonna say keep it like that. The top here we need to add an integer, which is score num. I'm just gonna name it score number, which is going to store all the scores that we have done when we pass through the columns. Okay, so here I'm going to add a void. I'm going to add a void which is game over when you lose, and an IB action, which is restart game. Okay, there we go. Right, go back to the view controller M and let's set everything up. So I'm just gonna go down here and create the void for the game mode. Whoops. So what happens when a person loses the game? What we need to do is hide these two columns, right? And hide the bird, hide the start game, and hide the restart game. No, sorry, hide the bird, hide the start game in these two columns. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Okay, so go back. So column top dot hidden equals to yes. Column bottom dot hidden equals to yes. Start game dot hidden equals to yes. Yeah, okay. So right, so yeah, and then the bird dot hidden equals to yes. Right, so we've done the game over the void and drop some lines. Let's do the IB action. Exit or go back to the tunnel, to the column moving, and we need to create some code for the collisions between the bed and the two columns. So if the CG rect intersects rect, so if the rectangle, the first rect intersects the second rect, this is gonna happen. So we're gonna say bird, whoops, let's say bird dot frame with column, I don't want to say tunnel, top dot frame. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it like that. So it's bird top. Oops, come on, T. It's always the bird. And then here we're going to change a couple of things, like say column bottom, say top, bottom, right? And what's going to happen is we're going to say self game over in all of these, self game over. Right. So if the bed intersects with the column at the top, the self game over. The code that we have made right here occurs. So yeah. Right. So we're going to add the IB action, which is restart game. And what's going to happen when we restart the game? We're gonna say we're gonna actually copy these, be a bit cheeky, copy it and change a couple of things. Like we want the start game. Sorry. I'm sorry guys. I had to go somewhere. So yeah, let's okay, so I'm not gonna hide the start game dot button because it's already hidden. We don't need it anymore. So yeah. Right, so it's we're going to we're not going to hide the we're not going to hide the columns, and we're going to start this. So we're actually restarting the game now, and we're going to set the score, like the score label. So we're going to say score label dot text equals to, we're gonna just keep it at 0, right, when you click on restart the game. So right on here, right here, we need to go back to our main.storyboard and copy this just right below here, like when you know the bed has passed, and that is x is equal to -6. X equals to -6, right? Okay, so bring this back to right here. We're gonna say if column bottom, bottom dot center dot x is equals to -6, then the score and the score number is equal to score number plus 1, and we're gonna say score label dot text equals to, open a bracket and a string with format. We're gonna say at, and now this is an integer. We're gonna say percentage I, comma, score number, and close the bracket and do a semicolon. Right. So this is what happens when the center, when the column bottom reaches the x coordinate of -6. Okay. So what we want to do here on the view.load, the restart game button should be hidden. Okay. And when on the game or over, you set the restart button restart dot hidden to no. Okay, so let me test it out and see how it works. Oh, sorry, we need to go back to the main storyboard and click on the view controller right here and drag and drop this to align it with the buttons. So this is the restart game button. This is the score label, and then the actions to restart game. Touch up inside. One last thing is that when you click on the restart button, we want our bed to be in this position where it's 16 and 312. Okay, so you can make it wherever you want, but I want it that way. So game over when you click on the restart button. Sorry, let's say, just in case, let's say bed dot hidden equals to no. Right. So we want bed dot center equals to CG point make, sorry, 32, and I think let me check again. It's 16 and 312, right? So it's 16 here and 312. So end it with a semicolon, and we're probably done. Let's just see how it works. So start game. Okay, we lose. Restart game. Whoops. Oh. So we've done something wrong here. Okay. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, so I can remove this. One sec. Okay, and remove these. Right. Let me go back to my control.h and just remove this. Okay, so let me see how it goes. Okay, so we're getting lots and lots of errors now. For some reason. You know what? One sec. Okay, guys, I think I figured out what the problem is, and I'm just going to change a couple of things around. I'm going to name this just keep it as restart game. I'm going to go back to my view control.h and just check these two. Restart game, ID center, button, restart game. Right. So I won't do self start game right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say restart button restart game dot hidden equals to yes, and I'm going to start game dot button dot hidden equals to no. I'm going to set the I'm going to keep the score as it is, right? The columns, the top and bottom dot hidden equals to yes. Column top dot hidden equals to yes. Bed dot hidden equals to, we're going to hide everything. Okay, right? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to set the center of the bed. So let's say bed dot center equals to CE point make. We was 16 and 312, I'm guessing, right? And keep it like that. So this is what's going to happen now. When we click on restart game, it's going to hide all these. It's going to not hide the start game button, so we can be able to click on it and play the game normally. Right, so on the start game I want to set the label or score number. I want to set the score number to 0, and I want to set the score label dot text to the score number, which is 0 as well. We're going to say at %i and close this, comma, score number, like that. Okay, so this is what happens right here. Hopefully we don't get any errors, and hopefully this would work. I need to just use this as an ID sender, just like that, as well as this sender. Right, so it should work now without any errors, hopefully. Let's see how it works. If I click on start game, I go. If I do this, I restart game. How come? Oh, okay. This is why, right? So, oh my god. Okay, so I have done I have forgotten the most important things, which are in the game over void. We need to stop the timers, and that's why we get so many errors. Okay, so which timer do we have? bad move, invalidate, and then column move, invalidate. So this is why we usually get so many errors, right? And in the start game, I need to show the bad. So bad dot hidden equals to no. Okay, so let's get going. If I lose like that, so you see when I click restart game, it says start game, and you can restart the game again. So if I go this, it says 1. Oops, I lose again. So that's it for now. Okay, you know what? This actually looks pretty weird when you click on restart game and you have to click another button to start the game. It actually looks a bit weird. So what we want to do is to make it restart the game as soon, like when we click on the button, we want it to restart the game. So for that, we're going to just drop some lines, keep the rest of the code. Start game dot hidden equals to yes. We're gonna say score number equals to 0. Actually, you know what? It's like copying this again. So let me copy this. Right? Let's be a bit cheeky and copy it like that. I'm going to set this so that we don't use it, right? Just in case this didn't work. So, the thing is, we're going to set the bed center. Bed.center, and we're going to hide the restart. The button restart game dot hidden equals to yes as well. And we're not going to hide the columns when we click on it. So let's see how that goes. Let's say we lose, we get a restart game, and there we go. So actually working quite well. Oops. There we go, guys. If I collide with the top, it say restart game, and then if I collide with the bottom, it will say restart game, and then you can restart again. Wow, I'm very bad at this game. Right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you want me to put this code, excuse me, guys. If you want me to put this code in the description, please say so, and I could send you it via email. I'm really sorry, guys. I've been very sick lately. I will try and upload some more content soon. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. It would be very grateful and much appreciated, and it will actually encourage me in uploading more content as well. So yeah, as I said, if you want this code, just let me know and I'll send it to you via email. And you guys should, if you guys have a Mac and want to start recording but don't have the full version of ScreenFlow, which is the screen recorder, there's a video to my channel on how to get it for free. You can go there and click on it. It's not fake. It actually works 100%. You don't have to pay $99 for it. And if you guys didn't watch the first part of this video, you can go look at it in the description. It's called XCode Flappy Bird tutorial part 1 out of 2. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you make a very fun Flappy Bird game with some extra resources and some extra levels, whatever you want. This is the basic of the game. You can add so much to it. Right, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.